Welcome to Hgreglux. Here we have a 2017 Land Rover Range Rover HSE. This SUV came with a clean Carfax. In this video, I'll be showing you any dents, scratches, or any wear and tear to the car to the best of our knowledge. First, we'll be going panel by panel. We're going to start with the front bumper. I would like for you to know there's a scratch on the grill right there. Okay, and another one right here. But everything else on the bumper looks fine. Let's take a look at the hood of the car. Perfect. I'm not seeing any scratches at all. Alright, let's take a look at the driver fender and wheel. This fender looks perfect, no scratches, no dents, and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's move on to the driver's side doors. The front and back door look good here. I'm not seeing any dents or scratches at all. Now we're going to take a look at the quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel looks perfect, and the wheel has no curb rash. Now we're going to move on to the back of the SUV. Okay, the trunk is in excellent condition. I'm not seeing any scratches at all. And the back bumper looks good as well. Let's have a look at the passenger quarter panel and wheel. Everything here looks perfect. I'm not seeing any scratches at all. And the wheel has no curb rash. Alright, let's take a look at the passenger side doors. The front and back door here look perfect. I'm not seeing any scratches at all. Okay, and now the last fender and wheel. This fender looks perfect. No scratches, no dents here. And the wheel has no curb rash. So the exterior of this SUV is in excellent condition. Now we're going to have a look inside. And we're going to start off with the driver's seat. Okay, the seat looks very good. Let's have a look at the door panel. The door panel looks perfect. I'm not seeing any wear and tear at all. Let's move on to the back seat. Perfect. The seat looks really good. So the driver's side is in good condition. Now we're going to take a look at the passenger side. Okay, the seat looks perfect. Let's have a look at the door panel. Excellent. I'm not seeing any wear and tear here at all. Let's move on to the back seat. Perfect. So the passenger side is in good condition. Now we're going to have a look at the rest of the interior. First, we're going to start off with the center console. Everything here looks perfect. I'm not seeing any wear and tear at all. Let's have a look at the steering wheel. The steering wheel has no wear and tear on the buttons at all. And around the steering wheel is in excellent condition as well. So the interior of this SUV is in perfect condition. Now we're going to have a look at the trunk. And last but not least, the engine bay. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to speak to one of our representatives.